Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, from this past 1.5 years, I've seen many people making some amazing transition into the data science industry. They have been hired as a data scientist, they have been hired as an analytics manager, big data engineers, data analyst, business intelligence developer who works specifically in Power BI and Tableau. And the most amazing thing is that what kind of hike they have actually got. So they've got some amazing hike with respect to years of experience at an average. If I try to calculate, if I try to calculate and probably give you an average value, it is more than 75% hike. 75% hike is also a very good hike, guys. I've seen one guy getting 300% hike. His experience was somewhere around 1 to 2 years of experience. Just imagine that your salary is 4 lakhs and suddenly you get a 300% hike whenever you're switching a company. So that is really a good hike itself. And many people have actually asked me, Krish, what is the most efficient way to get this kind of hike? Because understand, if you're switching a company, that becomes a golden opportunity for you all to increase your base salary, right? To increase your salary too much. Because after that, when you consider at an average in a company, you get 10% hike itself, right? So this switching a company is like a golden opportunity if you really want to increase your salary. So in this particular video, I'm going to discuss about these 3 points, how you can utilize this golden opportunity and probably be in a place wherein you will be able to negotiate an amazing salary with respect to your job transition. Okay guys, this video is really much important because understand, making a switch is a big thing and you should never miss this golden opportunity. Now let's come to the first thing. As soon as you get an offer, guys, right, before the interview you tell that, okay, I'm expecting this much salary, and probably you attend the interview, then you know that how the interview has actually gone, right? After the interview, you should definitely negotiate for multiple rounds. When the HR is basically saying some X amount, you should definitely say X plus so much amount, and you should tell her or him that why you deserve this. This is, in short, having your market value included in that too, right? Your market value, when I say, you should definitely talk about the skill sets that you're actually having, right? So never hesitate to take this round into multiple steps. Don't just get satisfied with one step, because if you are talented, if you feel that yes, I can do it, definitely there'll be no hesitation. And this kind of, since data science industry, in the data analytics, this is the hottest job right now. Obviously, whenever the salary is basically fixed, they take some kind of percentage of outliers which can be increased from the salaries itself, right? So this is the first step. Always try to negotiate for multiple rounds. The second thing is that try to know about the company, what that specific company is doing, what all kind of work it is doing, and one very much important thing is that try to contact the employees of that specific company and try to understand that what kind of hike probably a fresher is getting, probably a new person who's actually coming into the industry is getting. By that specific thing, by that specific step, you will be able to get a huge amount of knowledge. So it is important that you really need to use that specific resource. Whenever you want to know about a specific company, about their work, what kind of salary hike probably a person is getting. If a new person is coming into the company, what is the average hike you are getting? What is the maximum salary that you can get for a position? All these things you can research about that specific company, and there are so many websites which can actually do it. If you're not able to get that specific information, try to contact people from LinkedIn, try to get that specific information from those people who are working in that specific company itself. And yes, I've seen many people who will definitely help you out if you are actually requesting them with those kind of information. So this is the second most important point, and always make sure that along with this, you should also know your market value. Your market value is all about the skill sets that and what all things you can definitely do. Because at the end of the day, when you're negotiating with the HR, you should be able to say these things, right? So I usually say that you have to do multiple things. Contribute to the open source community, do multiple things, try to write articles, try to share knowledge. By this, you will be able to know your market value. Now coming to the third point, which is very much important, just don't get satisfied with one interview, guys. After clearing one interview, try to attend more and more interviews. Okay, try to attend more and more interviews, because I've seen people having six offers, and they are just trying to increment the salary with respect to each and every offer. And what I feel, according to this, if you are getting a better salary from a different companies, go for it. You don't have to feel bad, because at the end of the day, you have to take care of your family, and that is only possible when you're getting an amazing salary. So always have an option where you have lineup interviews. After clearing one, always don't hesitate to, just don't stop giving interviews. Whenever you feel like, yes, you can go ahead with this kind of opportunities also, definitely do that. I've seen some of my students, some of my subscribers who had 8 to 9 offers, just imagine, and they selected the best one. Obviously, when you have multiple options, that is always good for you, because obviously you'll be going with those companies that will be giving you the highest package, and along with that, you'll also try to find out the quality of work, because this kind of questions you really get. So these are the 3 most important points that you should really focus on, guys. Always make sure that the salary negotiation should go with multiple rounds, not just in one round. Second, know your market value. Apart from that, research about the companies. If you're able to get the information in the open internet itself, that is well and good. Otherwise, directly go and contact the employees who are working in that specific company and try to get more and more knowledge with respect to salary. If you get that particular information, you can directly tell without hesitation in front of the HR. And finally, the last thing is that always never hesitate to line up interviews and start giving more and more interviews, even though you have got multiple job offers. This is the best way to basically increase your salary, guys. So I hope you like this particular video. Please do make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one doll. Bye bye.